Promoting Amazon affiliate links on Google Ads is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To start, open your web browser and search Amazon. After that, click to open its official website. Once you're here, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, click on Become an Affiliate. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Click on the Sell All button to see more details. Now select the product that you want to promote. Click to see its complete details. Once you're on this page, click on Next from the top left corner. From here, you can copy the affiliate link to promote on your platforms. Click on the Get Link button to copy this link. Now open a new tab and search for Google Ads. Click to open its website and click on the Start Now button. Here, you can create your first campaign. Go to the final URL box and paste the link that you have copied from Amazon. After that, you need to add images that you can also get from the previous page. Go to the Amazon page and right-click on the photo that you want to use. Save this image in your system. Once you're done, go back to the Google Ads and click on Images. Upload this picture from your system. You can also use logos and videos here. Next, add headlines for your ads. Type its name and some of the specifications. Try adding some keywords to boost sales. Then, add a long headline for your product. Once you're done, add a description of the item you're selling. Then, add a business name and select a call to action button. Once you're all done, click on Next. Make sure you have added all the required information here. Now, you're good to go. That's how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Google Ads.